The introduction of the roller washing machine and the requirements for the construction site. The equipment is widely used for a variety of difficult-to-wash bulk ore. The washing machine is divided into two types, cylinder type and cylinder plus sieve. The latter can divide the washed material into 40 mm and minus 40 mm to level products, and minus 40 mm can be further scrubbed by the double spiral groove type or washing machine to divide the material into 2 mm and minus 2 mm to level products. The ore washing efficiency can reach about 98%, and this combination is the most effective method for the ore that is difficult to wash at present. Requirements of the roller stone washing machine for the construction site. 1. Rationally arrange the storage area of raw materials and finished materials, and generally arrange the production volume of the stone washing machine according to the requirements of the finished materials in a certain period of time. Prevent the finished product from pollution caused by environmental or climatic reasons during storage. 2. Rationally arrange the power supply lines to ensure the safety of electricity. 3. Rationally arrange water, sedimentation tank, return water, and other pipelines to keep the production site clean. 4. Consider the storage, care, transportation, and maintenance of the equipment during its deactivation.